In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the title of my Wix site that appears in the Browser tab. If you want your Wix website to show a different title in the Browser tab, the change is made from your page SEO settings inside the Wix editor. This is useful if the current title is too generic, outdated, or does not match the name you want visitors to see. Start by opening your site editor workspace. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left sidebar panel and click the Pages and Menu icon. This is where Wix keeps the list of pages on your site, and it is also where you can access page-specific settings. Next, find the home page in that list. Since the Browser tab title is often tied to the home page, this is usually the page you will want to update first. Move your cursor over the home page row, then click the three dots that appear. This opens a small menu with more options for that page. From that menu, select SEO. After the SEO settings open, scroll down until you reach the field for the title tag. This is the text that appears in the Browser tab and can also be used by search engines when your page shows up in results. It is important to make sure this title is clear and accurate because it helps represent your site both to visitors and to search platforms. When you find the title tag field, delete the existing text in the entry box. Then type in the new title you want to use. Make sure the wording is exactly how you want it to appear. It is a good idea to keep it simple, readable, and closely related to your site name or brand, so it looks clean in the Browser tab. Once you have entered the new title, go to the top right area of the editor and click the blue Publish button. This pushes your updated title live so the change appears online. If you do not publish, the new title may stay saved in the editor but will not show on your live site. After publishing, you can open your live website in a Browser tab to confirm the update appears correctly. That covers everything you need to know.